chilling out at DOT station, and I'm working as a DOT today. Okay. I got a break from my police shift, and I decided to work in like a DOT. Yeah, DOT. Right. Okay. Wait. Okay. Sup, Lone?
Hey there. What's up?
What are you doing today?
Nothing. I'm trying to fix the truck. It's smoking.
Oh, okay. Right.
Oh. Should I take you to the garage at the River City?
How's the truck smoking? What the? How's it smoking?
Some hijacker took it and crashed it into a fire truck.
Oh, okay. The truck got hijacked, right? Okay.
Anyways, I'm taking it to the garage.
I'm gonna go patrol around the city. I'll be back. Okay.
Alright.
Right. Okay, I think he's patrolling also. Right. Oh, it's raining. Oh, didn't know you're gonna patrol too. Okay. Bro.
Yeah. I'll just make sure no drainage batteries happen.
Okay. Okay. Alright, right, so, I'm going back to the city. Okay. Oh, wait, why am I police waiting? Okay. I'm just gonna go to the parking lot and check if there's, like, broken cars out here. Alright. Stop. I might crash into one of the walls. Yo, this parking lot's so sick. Alright, yeah, wrong way, I'm just checking the parking lot, cause, yeah. Alright, I guess I have to go back, I guess I'm gonna go back to DOT, cause, there's no, like, emergency. Alright, we got a cop patrolling. I'm gonna crash.
I almost crashed.
Okay.
Either.
Oh, so stop. Okay. I'm gonna go follow Lone, cause I think he just like I'm gonna go patrol with him also. Okay. Yeah. Wait.
I'm going to the pothole.
Alright.
At the bank.
Alright. I see him beside of the police station, and I'm just gonna go. Okay, I'm just gonna go speed a little bit. Alright, this is bouncing. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at driving.
I'm way worse.
For real. Oh, we got. There's so many calls. I guess we gotta respond to all of these calls. Let's go near the tunnel first. Broken street line.
This city is complete chaos. That's why.
For real.
Yeah.
Wait, where's the broken?
Hey there.
Where's the broken street line?
I don't know, man. It's probably somewhere at the back is further.
Alright,
So I found it.
Alright, oh, okay, Oh,
Here it
there
is.
we go, there we go, there we go, there we go.
Wait, sorry for blocking the back. We just, yeah.
Yeah,
There we go.
broken street. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna go follow
Where's
you.
the power thing?
I'm gonna go follow you.
Power thing is gone. Where is it?
Wait, what? Where did it go? Yeah, I'm so confused. I'm gonna go back to the station. Okay. I'm just gonna go back to the station, cause okay.
We're just gonna leave it like this.
Yeah. Wait. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go refuel my car, cause I'm almost out of gas. Okay.
Alright, alright.
Okay. This is the gas station. I think I should like get some snacks. Cause I'm so like hungry right now. I'm just gonna go get Haribo gummy bears before I like say get right there. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna pay. I paid $200 for that. Thank you. Okay. I think it's not bad after all. Just gonna go refuel gas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I paid like nice, not bad. $50 only. But the gummy bears more expensive than the I used to run. Okay. Alright, probably. Whoa. Bro, did you just crash into a cop? Cop car. What? They just... Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh no. What have you done, Load? Did you just crash into a cop? I guess I have to call fire department. 111 dispatch. We need to that call fire department at near the RC bank. Over. Oh my god, what just happened? Oh my gosh. Bet the car insurance is too expensive to pay for this. Alright, I think EMS is coming. EMS is coming, so wait, EMS already arrived. Okay. Okay, we almost crashed into two of them. Hello EMS. Hello. My partner crashed into a car.
Geez, what happened?
Did you like lose control or something?
Nah, the pedal got stuck or something.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go like help you. And just yeah.
The door's jammed, dude. It's stuck.
Oh. Yo, officer, are you okay? Hello? Hello, officer, are you good? Officer, are you good?
I'm gonna break through the window.
Oh, no, don't break the window. Officer, can you hear?
Like,
Yo, officer, can you hear me? Okay, he's not speaking.
I don't think he's
Oh,
don't
he's
think he's
fine.
gonna respond. I think he's oh never mind.
Okay,
He's dead.
I think he fainted. Bring him inside of the car, cause
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, we'll try to fix your car. I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna go check the other DLCs. Yeah. Yo,
We're
yo,
gonna respond to a
yo,
car
yo, yo,
crash.
yo, EMS. Is the officer okay? Not. Oh, not really. He's fainted. All right, bring him inside of the. Bring him to Bring him to hospital room and check them out. We're gonna go visit him in like later. Alright, see you later. See you later. Alright, see you later. See you later, EMS. Okay. Yeah, they're going now.
I'm
Okay.
gonna roll down the window. I think that works.
We're gonna go like Okay.
I
We're
jumped out.
we're gonna go fix your car.
So
Okay. Well, we are here to see Whitey Squad. If you guys want to be in videos like this,
oh
make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you like and subscribe, and join the
yeah, I agree.
and join the Discord to be in videos. And we'll see you guys all later. Goodbye.
Subscribe right now.